What is up, my friends? We got another relatively quick ride here.
Bless you.
Does the temperature feel okay for you?
Yeah, it's okay, thank you.
No problem. What is going on, my friends? I've got another raw RoboTaxi video for you today. This isn't going to be quite as exciting as our customer reactions or our dedicated challenge videos. The whole goal here is to show FSD doing the job. It's going to be a bit boring, bit low energy. Most of my customers are not talkative. They don't really care. They got their own thing going on, and I'm not here to bother them. So these are those trips, and I just wanted to show a high integrity and transparent view of FSD doing the work. That's the reason for not having any editing aside from this note to the audience. Now, these videos can range anywhere from 5-10 minutes to several hours, so make sure you know what you're getting into. Feel free to skip around, increase the playback speed, or even just jump to the end to get my final thoughts and maybe even a reveal of FSD to the customer to see how they vary. One benefit I hope these videos provide is a reference point or a sort of bookmark of proof of concept for you to use in discussions with others around FSD, especially those who are of the mind that this will never happen. There is already a ride-along playlist on the channel, but these going forward are going to be more tailored and dedicated to that task. On top of these longer videos, I do plan to have shorter, more high-energy critiques and even YouTube shorts to spread out the engagement and get more eyes on the channel. But it is very important to have that raw, unedited drive out for that high integrity and transparency, so nobody can say I'm trying to paint FSD in one way or the other. You just get the actual performance and what's going on. As always, guys, I really appreciate your feedback, whether it's on YouTube or X. Please hit me up in the comments with your suggestions and ideas. Thanks for your view, and I hope you enjoy. Yeah, it's the one coming up here.
And it'll be the next building over.
Gotcha. And we're just heading back, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same place. Thank you. You have a great day.
Yeah, you too.